This Remax Crown Realty property video is presented by Gus and Khristine Brugger. Nicely updated 2-bedroom 2-bath home on a double lot in a fantastic area of the paradise that is Sebastian FL. Tile throughout, large enclosed porch, laundry room, garage, carport and open parking for your boat or RV on the adjacent lot. Fresh paint inside, county water, low traffic street. No pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Gus and Khristine Brugger at 772-360-6787.